My name is Henry Tenby. In this video, I'm going to be presenting this beautiful Douglas factory model. It's a Scandinavian Airline system, SAS, DC-7 and 1/50th scale. And it's been meticulously restored to museum-grade quality, and the model is for sale at the time of filming. So here it is. This is a beautiful Scandinavian Airline system, Douglas DC-7. It's an original 1950s Douglas factory model, which I have restored to museum grade quality using professional auto body paints and clear coats. The clear coat on this is a two-part clear coat that is very resilient to fading and yellowing. It's made especially for UV, maximized UV protection in automobile applications. And when put on a model like this, that's basically kept inside, you will not have to worry about this model fading for decades. The model is a DC-7, 7Cs, and this model is very, very accurate. They were produced by the Douglas factory model shop in the 1950s to customer airlines whenever they would order an aircraft. The Douglas model shop would typically supply one of these models to the purchasing airline. This model would date from the mid-1950s, and we do know that it is an original Douglas factory model because it does have matching serial numbers on both the wing and on the fuselage. Number 5541 is stamped into the fuselage metal and into the wing metal, as was done by Douglas back in the day. So yes, this model is being offered for sale. It's gone through this beautiful restoration, and the model is ready to be presented in your collection and is going to present beautifully for decades to come. It will definitely be a conversation piece. Look at the underside of the aircraft. Isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely stunning. The metal is in pretty decent condition on this model. We don't have any ugly bends, no grotesque disfigurations, and it is actually in really nice shape. The stand, I believe, is a replacement stand, but as you can see, this model is absolutely stunning. And look at that. Look at that. Isn't that looking good? Absolutely stunning. Beautiful. So how does this measure up? Well, I've got my ruler here, so we'll put it to the test. So 1/50th scale, the model is 26 inches long, as you can see, nose to tail, about 26 inches. And if we put the ruler on the underside here, the wingspan is just about 31 inches. So roughly 26 by 31 is the dimension of this model, and ready to go. The model can be packaged and shipped to you if you'd like to purchase this. This is definitely an investment grade model. Models like this will definitely appreciate over the decades to come, probably even the months to come, with how inflation seems to be going of late. So if you want to park your money into something that's really beautiful, that can be passed down to future generations and will accumulate in value and asset value in years to come, this model could certainly be of consideration. So the price of the model is $5,000 US. This model can be shipped anywhere in the world, and I can have the model shipped quite easily within North America, I would say, for $200. If you have any questions about this model or would like to discuss its purchase with me, feel free to send me an email. My email is henrytenby@gmail.com. That's henrytenby@gmail.com. And I'll look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope you enjoyed looking at this beautiful museum-grade SAS DC-7. Here's a rear view of the aircraft model, just to show a slightly different perspective. Looks really quite fantastic, doesn't it? I just love the SAS scheme on the DC-7. And here's a very nice 3/4 front view of the model to give you a nice compressed view of that aircraft flying towards you. I should point out that if the model is sold, I will put the word sold into the video description. So if you do not see the word sold, it means the model is still available for sale. Hi there, my name is Henry Tenby, and I'd like to tell you about my brand new book. It's called From Lodestars to Jets, and it's the most image-heavy, comprehensive, it's the most extensive history on Air Canada, Trans-Canada Airlines that has ever been published in the annals of aviation history. The book is absolutely loaded with images that many of which have never been seen before. Let's have a look at the pages, and then you can decide if this book deserves a spot on your bookshelf. I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour of the book. Isn't that gorgeous? It is printed on 105 GSM paper, so it's super high quality paper. It is absolutely loaded with images. As I say, there are approximately 600 images, just under 300 pages. Many of these images have never been seen before. And the stories that are within these pages, many of them have long been forgotten. And it is information that is absolutely fascinating relating to engineering and fleet planning and fleet development issues at Trans-Canada Airlines. Look at that Viscount wing structure design, feathering system. We've got a section on the Bristol Freighter, some face changes around TCA engineering, and then sections on the Connie. Models make moolah, of course, for you aircraft model fans. Whole sections on the Connie North Star. There we go, engineering department, 1950. Fabulous shot taken at, where's this, Cartierville. Absolutely gorgeous. And this will take you back to the good old days of Trans-Canada Airlines. As I say, I believe this is the most comprehensive history on Trans-Canada, Avro jetliner, that's right. Trans-Canada Airlines is instrumental in the development of this aircraft. Of course, up to the jet age, the introduction of service to the DC-8s, and other airplanes that were considered by TCA at the time. This is not the same old Air Canada history that we've seen many times over the decades. This is all brand new information, brand new stories. I've posted a link in the upper right-hand corner of this video that'll take you to the book information and order page. Also, I should point out that time is of the essence. Limited production on these books. Once they're sold out, they're probably sold out forever. And I hope you will enjoy the book as much as I enjoyed putting it together. Thank you very much.